Hey guys. Okay, so I only have a couple classes that are doing this week because in their vocabulary is the term alliteration. So what alliteration means is three or more words that have the same beginning sounds, and those beginning sounds are there to draw attention to whatever's being read or talked about, okay? So, what I had them doing is I sent them home with scrap pieces of paper and markers and stuff if they needed it. They're supposed to do their first name and their last name, preferably not on the same page. I did mine on the same page just so that I'm only having to show one thing. But what they need to do is come up with some. I did examples with all of them, and they can use those examples for that first name. I do want them to try to come up with something on their own for their last name. And then they're supposed to make it artsy in some way. And the reason I want them to do that is because that will help it stick in their brain a little bit better than just writing it down over and over, okay? So, definitely have them do this. That is the third graders. This is their work for me for yesterday and today, and then today those vocab. Eighth grade, I want y'all to practice this because y'all's eighth grade tests are coming up, and you probably will have alliteration on that test. So, everybody do this. It's a fun, easy assignment, and we'll turn it in on Monday. Thanks, guys.